Hello, and welcome to today's new feature video for Genesis Now. We have added the option of using AI Assistant when sending email or text messages throughout your Genesis Now. Let's take a look at all the places you can use AI Assistant in Genesis Now. The first place we will look is in our profile by clicking up here on our name email, selecting Profile, and under the Preferences tab on the left, we will click there, and in our email and text templates, we can now use AI Assistant through Genesis Now. If you click here, you'll notice that you can ask AI to edit or generate any text that you've created or that is already in your template. Down below, you have the option to generate, translate, and more. You'll also notice the eye icon for the AI help, which is very helpful. And let's look at other places we can use the AI assistant. So from my dashboard, I'll select my client, Barbie Adams. If I would like to send her an email or text, I can now do so using the AI assistant here as well. Or from inside my client's policy, if I want to send an email or text, I can also use the AI assistant here. Let's take another look at where else we can use the AI assistant. So from my dashboard, if I click on companies, go to all companies and select a carrier, I can also email my carrier and use AI assistant here. Another place that we can use AI assistant that might be very helpful is going to my toolbar down to agency and clicking on all locations. I'll select my location. And in my marketing campaigns, I can click edit and I can use AI Assistant here as well to help perfect any emails or text messages that I like to send out to my clients. Should you have any questions on using the AI Assistant through Genesis Now or come across any problems with this or any other features, always remember at the bottom right, the helpful chat support icon, or all the way to the left, bottom of your toolbar, the help option. I hope you found this AI assistant tool very helpful, and we look forward to many more new features in our Genesis Now. Thank you.